If I have any new people, ladies, beginners, I guess, I'm watching this, hopefully this is simple enough for you. I try to do too much for myself, so yeah. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Tea with Tiasia. My name is Tiasia Cockrell, and welcome to my channel. Okay, so today we are doing a very late but great Fenty Beauty try on. Okay, so your girl is very late to the game, I know, but it's better to be late than never, right? Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys the Fenty primer, or no, actually, sorry, y'all, hold on. We got a couple things we're actually going to show today. So we're gonna do the Fenty primer. This is the True Matte. This is the Pro Filter Mattifying Primer. And I got the small one because I just want to try it out and see if I really like it before I go hard and commit to the bigger sizes. So we're gonna try that one. Then we're gonna try Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wearing Foundation. Okay, so I actually tried some Fenty foundation a very long time ago when she first came out, right? I was like, Ree, this is super cool. You got all the shades and all the, the complexion tones. But when I tried it, I think I had the wrong color. Okay, my skin was very orange, and so I put that on me. I didn't know what I was doing, but I did go on the website. They had a sale recently. I got the 440 foundation, and I took like a little skincare skin tip quiz, and I think it paired me to this. And so I think it's cool because they were like, what color jewelry do you look best in? What's your what color are your veins and everything? Because I'm like, how you gonna figure out if I'm not fair? But I told them the answers, and they got me this color, so we're gonna see if we like it or not. So this is 440. This is a matte finish, soft matte finish, so I'm excited about that. And then we're gonna try the Fenty Beauty matchstick trio. Okay, so the trio is the caramel, truffle, and rum color. Okay, so I'm not sure if y'all can see that, but those are the colors. So we're gonna try that. And then I have the concealer brush. Y'all, I was trying to take advantage of this little sale. Okay, I love me a sale. So now we got the precision concealer brush. We're gonna try it this way. So if you guys like what you see, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, I am a growing channel, and I'm excited to see where this takes us. Okay, so don't forget, be my friend, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all after. All right, y'all, let's get it started. So I am really lounging. It is a Sunday morning, and I feel good, so just got my word in. Okay, I'm about to get dressed in just a second. I'll go ahead and get started with our primer. So the primer came in this box like I showed you guys. And then it came like in a little holder, which I think is great, especially for shipping, right? All right, so this one is the smaller one, like I said. Go throw that on the wrist. It is very liquefied, but it's not like, you guys, this is running just a little bit, but it's not super runny. Okay, we're gonna throw this on a couple places on our skin, rub that in. And one thing with, ooh, this smells good. This smells like my ex-boyfriend. Don't you hate when something reminds you of old times? Anyways, this smells more of like a masculine man. But I do like it. It's kind of weird. It's like a powder mixed with masculine scent. I don't know. But just off the bat, it just melted in my skin. Okay, hopefully this keeps my shine from shining through. Because my face, y'all, it be glowing. Alright, also I'm going to try to be that person that does not have tutorials for like 40 minutes, so we're gonna hurry up and get through this. Okay, so we got our primer on, put some down the neck, and as y'all can see, I do have hyperpigmentation on my cheeks and my chin, so we're working on that. So we're going to make sure, or we're going to see if this foundation could cover that up. Okay, here's the foundation. Okay, it came in this container. I love when they make a mattified product in the bottle mattified as well, right? So we're gonna put that right here. So here is that tone. It's got a, I don't know my undertones, y'all. I just be going with it. I don't know. So let's go ahead and put this on. I got a little bruisey. That's my my new pimple of the week. So we gotta make sure we cover that up as well. Oh, this just, listen, that's just one pump. I don't like a lot of foundation on me. So that's why I'm like, let's see if this mattified formula can make me feel like I don't have that much makeup on. A little bit more on the chin, just make sure it does not peek through. All right, I'm gonna do my brows real quick, and we're gonna come on back. All right, you guys, so brows is on. Love these. If y'all ever want to look at my tutorial, if y'all need help with brows, definitely check out my video. I'm not sure if it's posted already. prior to this video or after, but definitely check it out. Simple brows, real quick and easy, and under $4. Okay, I like some quick, cheap, and you know, cool little routine. So there's that. Now here is the concealer brush that I got from Fenty. It came in a better packaging, but I already use it, so I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But I'll show you guys what it's looking like. So like I said, I've used it already, but it was like a cool little color. Okay, it's super soft, definitely helps with precision. So we are going to use one of the trio sticks. Okay, so we're going to use the color caramel. Okay, so this is going to be my concealer. So I like that it's creamy. I tried this once already. I just want to try it out, and I wore it somewhere. I'm used to using something else, but I did like that this was a cool color. So I'll take that up here, bring it on this side. Bring it around a little bit right here. Get the chin, down the nose, and give me some wings right there. I used to do it right here, but I just kind of keep it simple. Take our brush right. Ooh, I'm yelling. I'm sorry, y'all. We're going to take our brush right and just pull it on down. Is it weird that I do my makeup closed, well, my eyes closed sometimes? Like, I just feel like I can feel my face when my eyes are closed. Just make sure you don't let it crease, or that's how it's going to sit. So just keep patting in and pulling. So I do like the pat pull technique. We're going to use a lighter powder. Okay, so I don't know what brush this is from Elf. I use the wrong brushes for wrong things, but I make it work. Okay, so I'm gonna use on these brushes. Pat my powder lightly. Powder is from Juvia's Place. Love them. Okay, check them out. I'm gonna do a review for them as well. But we're just gonna pat it on there. You could bake if you want to. I'm not sure what's the difference of baking and not baking. I just put it on there, y'all. I'm not even gonna hold you. Okay, so just get a little bit, pat, pat, pat. Place that on there. So y'all see how flow and glow it is, okay? It's very subtle. So we're gonna do that on the spots that we just concealed. Pretty sure y'all know how to do this. If not, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna pat this right here. Okay. Make sure it just sits in place. All right, I think we're set in place, y'all. And you can always go back and put some more later if you need to, just to kind of just set everything in place. Okay, you guys, so next we're going to use the truffle color shade of one of the trio sticks. This is the stick. I'm sorry, I didn't show you the first one, but that's the stick. This one is darker, so we are going to contour our face. Now, as you guys can see, it's not super, super dark, like I would have liked it. So next time I just go a shade darker when I grab one of these sticks. No big deal though. We are going to use some darker powder just to bring it out a little bit more. But we're going to put it underneath our cheek a little bit. Give us a little line. Put it on our side of our noses. Just a little bit in the bottom of our chin, okay? Top of our head as well. So then I'm going to take a different brush. Like I said, none of these brushes make sense. I just use anything I think looks cool. And we're going to blend this in, right? So try to bring it up so we want our face to have a good shape to it. FYI, I am not a makeup artist, but honey, I'll be figuring it out on my own face, so I figure I can help y'all do that too. So just blend that in. And hopefully, if I have any new, like, freshly makeup people, ladies, beginners, I guess, I'm watching this, hopefully this is simple enough for you. I try to do too much for myself, so yeah. All right, make sure you blend that in well. And like I said, we're going to take a darker powder. So this is my True Complexion contour palette. We are going to use the darkest shade and just kind of pat that in to give us some color. And anywhere you put that brown on, we're going to seal it with some brown powder. Now we are going to take our highlighter. This is the color Rum, and we're going to place it above our cheek area. So like under, right above where we just contour. So we're going to put it right here. Right there. Put it down the nose. So I usually do like here and then the top, the little tip, right? Do it here on the chin if you want to, but top. And we're going to take a little brush, any brush you would like, and blend that in. You see how that goes on perfectly? Yes, guys. And because this is kind of like a beginner friendly kind of thing, we are going to just put a little bit right here. Just something real quick, you know, pop it out and just rub that in. Ooh, come on now. So we are going to take the truffle color that we use for our contour. Take a little bit and just kind of dab our eyes at the top. Just to give it a little color. And also you can just put it right here if you want to. And we got this little color. Now, throw on your eyeliner, your mascara, or your lashes if you want to. And we're gonna be finished. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. Yo, I'm feeling it for sure. I feel like the foundation, it knocked my socks off. I can see a little bit of oil coming through, just a little bit, but like I said, I'm very oily. I had oil on my face before I primed and all that, but I think if I set it one more time with my setting powder, I'll be all right. But other than that, everything is so smooth. I love a good foundation that's smooth. I love like just the whole application is smooth. Like, yes. So like I said, the foundation was a 440, shade 440. This was the Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wear. So I love it. Even the primer felt good. It didn't feel cakey. It didn't feel all of that. It just felt like it went across my face and just kind of just sealed in. Okay, so that was good for me. Trio sticks. Love the magnets, of course. Keep it going. I love when y'all first came out with these, so y'all still got it going on. I'm excited. Next time I will go darker with my contour. Because I am a little darker. So the concealer I usually go lighter, but I think this is a good settled look. So I'm gonna stick with that. And then the highlight, y'all popping for sure. I love it. So the items that I got for Fenty, I will say yes, girl, go get it, try it out, and you will love it. I'm not sponsored, but if y'all want to sponsor your girl in the future, I am here. Okay. If you love this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Send me some comments of what you liked about this video. What you like me to do in the future. Give me some ideas and I'll keep them coming. But other than that, I will see you guys next video and enjoy your day. Bye.